Camera and the Combat Guy 2K14 Enterprises Inc. presents. Wilson makes noises in class/detention/grounded.
Alright class, today we will be doing a health test. You may get out your pencils and they will hand out your health tests. You'll have 30 minutes to get it done, and when you're finished, just put it on my desk. And, as always, there's no talking, singing nor other noises in class. Now good luck on your tests.
Oh come on bruh, why the dark am I the one who has to take a dumb health test? I need to find a way to interfere this. Light bulb. Since the teacher says no noise in class, I will make noise in class. Grahahahahaha.
Hey, Wilson, didn't you hear what Mr. Galaxy just said? No noise in class.
Wilson, stop making noises and do your health test.
Squeak, squeak. Snap out of it right now. Honk, honk. Quack, quack.
Wilson, if you dare to keep making noise in class, we are telling Mr. Galaxy that you are making noise in class.
Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Ah, ah. Ribbit. Zzz.
That is it. We can't deal with your noise making, Mr. Galaxy. Get over here right now.
What the buzz is going on in here? I heard lots of noise coming from the classroom.
Oh, I was doing my health test.
Actually, Wilson was making lots of noise in class and it started to get on our nerves.
Seriously? Wilson, how freaking dare you make noise in class? I specifically said no noise in class.
I'm sorry. It's just that I hate doing stupid tests.
That is not an excuse for doing that. Go to detention now.
Welcome to detention. There will be no talking, singing or any other noise, chewing gum, eating or drinking, farting, burping, sleeping, listening to music, reading books, and etc. You will just sit here and stay quiet for 30 minutes. Woo, woo, woo. Vroom, 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 vroom. Wee, wee. Hey, Wilson, I said no noise in detention. Wilson, what did I just say? Stop making noises. Wilson, make one more sound again. You're going to the office. Oh, that is so it. Since you wouldn't listen to me, go to the principal's office right now.
Watch. Wilson, how dare you make lots of noise in class and in detention? You know that it can distract students while they are working. For this, I am giving you a 5-day suspension, and I will call your parents right now. Now get out now and go home.
Wilson, how dare you make lots of noise in class and in detention? That was very unacceptable.
But I'm sorry.
Sorry is not going to help, and you are grounded until your suspension time expires. Go to your room and don't bring your sorry self out of here.
Fine.